Welcome back to Terra10, where we help you navigate your career journey across the globe. If you're considering moving to Germany or simply curious about the highest paying jobs in one of Europe's economic powerhouses, you're in the right place. In today's video, we will explore the top 10 highest paying jobs in Germany, giving you insights into the best career options. Starting off our list at number 1, we have doctors and surgeons. In Germany, medical professionals, especially specialists like surgeons, cardiologists, are some of the highest earners. The average salary ranges from 85,000 to 1,30,000 euros per year. With Germany's well-regarded healthcare system, the demand for skilled doctors remains high, making this a lucrative and stable career option. But it's not just about the money. Being a doctor in Germany also means working in a country that prioritizes healthcare quality, innovation, and patient care. Next up at number 2 are engineering managers. Germany is renowned for its engineering prowess, particularly in automotive, mechanical, and industrial engineering. Engineering managers oversee complex projects and lead teams of highly skilled engineers. Salaries typically range from 95,000 to 1,50,000 euros per year. Germany's strong industrial base means that experienced engineering managers are always in demand, making this one of the top paying jobs in the country. In third place, we have IT managers. With the digital transformation sweeping across all industries, IT professionals are more crucial than ever. IT managers who oversee the technology infrastructure of organizations can expect to earn between 75,000 to 1,35,000 euros per year. The tech industry is booming in Germany with a strong focus on cybersecurity, AI, and big data, making IT management a top career choice for tech-savvy professionals. Coming in at number 4 are banking and finance managers. Germany is a financial hub, home to some of the world's largest banks and financial institutions. If you have a knack for numbers and enjoy navigating the complexities of finance, this career could be for you. The average salary ranges from 75,000 to 1,30,000 euros per year. Whether it's managing investments, overseeing risk, or guiding corporate finance, these roles are crucial in maintaining Germany's economic stability. Pharmacists take the 5th spot on our list. With Germany's aging population and strong pharmaceutical industry, pharmacists play a vital role in healthcare. They earn between 60,000 to 1 lakh euros per year, depending on their experience and location. If you're interested in a stable and well-paying healthcare career but prefer not to be in a hospital setting, this might be the perfect choice for you. Next, at number 6, we have lawyers. Legal professionals in Germany, particularly those specializing in corporate law, intellectual property, and tax law, are highly valued and well compensated. The average salary ranges from 70,000 to 1,40,000 euros per year. Germany's complex legal system and its position in international business mean that skilled lawyers are always in demand. In 7th place, we have airline pilots. Pilots in Germany can earn between 75,000 to 1,30,000 euros per year. The aviation industry demands highly trained professionals, and their responsibility for the safety of passengers and cargo is reflected in their salaries. If you have a passion for flying and the commitment to undergo rigorous training, this could be a high-flying career for you. At number 8, we have management consultants. Companies across Germany rely on consultants to improve their business strategies, streamline operations, and navigate challenges. Salaries in the field typically range from 65,000 to 1,45,000 euros per year. Experienced consultants who can deliver results are highly sought after, making this a rewarding and dynamic career choice. 9th on our list are research scientists. Whether in biotechnology, chemistry, or physics, research scientists in Germany are at the forefront of innovation. They can earn between 85,000 to 95,000 euros per year. Germany's strong emphasis on research and development makes this a great place for scientists to build a successful and well-compensated career. And last but certainly not least, at number 10, we have software engineers and developers. With the tech sector growing rapidly, software engineers are high in demand. Salaries typically range from 75,000 to 95,000 euros per year and can be even higher for those specialized skills. If you have expertise in areas like AI, cybersecurity, or big data, Germany offers plenty of opportunities to advance your career and earn a substantial income. If you would like a free consultation, please fill out the form available in the description and pinned comments below. And there you have it, the top 10 highest paid jobs in Germany. Whether you are a seasoned professional looking for new opportunities or a recent graduate planning your future, Germany offers a wealth of high-paying career options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more career tips and global job market insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.